Now, the new year has brought new price rates on hundreds of drugs. Major drug makers plan to hike the prices of almost about 300 drugs in the United States. The surge in drug prices for 2021 comes due to the pandemic and the political pressure on the drug industry. The revenues of drugs have been largely affected in the year 2020. The drug companies, including the likes of Pfizer, Sanofi and GlaxoSmithKline, plan to raise their prices in the United States. The pandemic has reduced the number of doctor visits and the demand for certain kinds of drugs. They're also fighting new drug price-cutting rules from the Trump administration. Now, analysts believe that this would actually reduce the industry's profitability. The companies have kept their price hike at 10% or below in this year. The Pfizer and Sanofi have kept almost all of their increases at 5% or less. The information and data comes from 3Axis, a consulting firm that works with pharma groups, health plans, drug pricing and supply chain issues. The more price hikes are expected to be announced in early January. In 2020, the drug makers had surged prices on more than 860 different types of drugs by an average of almost about 5%. In terms of hiked amounts and the affected drugs, the price hike has slowed substantially since 2015. Now, another reason for this hike is the development of COVID vaccine in a record time. Some pharma companies, such as Pfizer, have done a remarkable job in coming up with a vaccine in a record time. But as doctor visits and new prescriptions have plummeted during the global lockdown, the hikes could actually help make up for some of the lost revenue for the pharma companies. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.